Hi, I'm Lottie Smith and I'm here with Little Inventors to teach you some tips and tricks on adding textures to your models. There are lots of ways to add texture and we're going to cover a few now. So we're going to look at folding, fringing, and all the way down here in the corner, layering. So first up we'll look at folding, and it's probably easier with paper or card rather than cardboard because cardboard's a little bit harder. So I'm going to show you with some card. So I've got some green card here, and I'm going to use this piece of cardboard as a ruler, but you can also use a ruler. It's just a little bit easier to fold it if you're using it with a ruler. You don't have to draw out any lines, but if you hold your cardboard, you can use the edge here to kind of bend the paper up, and if you just push along the edge like this, when you take it away you can kind of see you've created a bit of a crease, and then after you've done that you can push it all the way down, and you just push it down hard with your hand. And then when you've got it like that, you've got this, and you want to put it over on the other way around. And then do the same thing, so you want to fold it back up. You can see here you kind of want the fold to be about the same place. So if you fold it up like this, and then push it down, and you can see you can do that. And then you just need to keep folding it. So the other way is you can just do it without a ruler. If you just look carefully, push it down in the middle, and then go out both sides. Turn it over, do the same thing. And then you've got yourself a little shape. Now I've done it with a big piece of paper like this, but if you do it with a smaller piece, you can make little things like springs. So I'm going to cut through like this, and then you've ended up with a little one. So if you'd like a little spring, you can glue that down, and it's kind of a little bit bouncy. You can also create it into a fan. So I've got one down here, which is much bigger. And you can see at the bottom here I've taped it, sellotaped it, and it goes out, and it's much more like a fan. So you can do all sorts of different things with the texture like this.